In this video, I'll show you how to check a Memecoin total volume on Dexscreener. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and contents like this. Now, the total volume of a Memecoin means the total amount or total number of trading volume that has entered, right? So look at this token right here. This token has a total volume of $93 million, right? So it means that this amount, right, has been traded in this meme coin in some couple of time, right? So if you check this meme coin right here, this is the past 24 hours. It has gained a volume of $93 million. 6 hours, 9 million, 9.6. 1 hour ago, it has gained a volume of $780,000, right? 5 minutes, it has gained a volume of $95,000. So this is basically how you can check the total volume of a meme coin here on Dexscreener. If you find this video helpful, please share your thoughts below in the comment section. I'm gonna see you guys in the very next one.